Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy Kindle books on Amazon. So now without any further ado, let's begin with these steps. So first of all, launch Amazon app on your mobile device. Now once you are here, make sure that you are signed in to your account. Now at the bottom right corner of your screen, simply tap on the 3 lines option. Now over here you can see various categories to shop from. Now scroll down below and then tap on books and reading that you see here. Now simply select the option of Kindle Store. Here we go. Now after you come here, just choose the Kindle book you wish to purchase. So for instance, I'm going to choose this option. Here we go. Now once you come to this page, you can see various details about the book. You'll see various options to choose from. And if you scroll down below, you can see other necessary details. And you can scroll down below till the end of this page and see other reviews by the users who have purchased the product. So from the given options, I'm gonna choose the option of paperback, and you can see the amount given as well. Now let's scroll down below and you can see the details given here. Now simply tap on the option of buy now. After that, you'll come to this page. You have to select a payment method which is convenient to you. You can select the options given from here. Also, you can turn on the toggle for add a gift card, promo code or voucher and enter the code if you have one. You can also tap on add new at the top and then add a payment method according to your preference and add your details so that your product will be delivered to you according to the payment method and on your desired address. So that's all for today's video, and if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.